So you guys, I'm about to unbox something I bought off Amazon this morning, and it's something I really needed. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys. So it is a water pitcher, 68-ounce glass pitcher. When it comes to pitchers, I use this from, like, I've been using plastic pitchers for my matcha, and I stopped using plastic because when you put heat in plastic, it deforms the plastic in a way, and and also plastic, it's something about giving cancer or something, and I didn't want that to affect me because it runs in my family. Probably sounds stupid for saying that, but I don't want it. I don't need it. I'd rather not. I'd rather be safe. So I ordered the 68-ounce glass pitcher, and you could put, it is stainless steel lid of juice and beverage with that temperature 0 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and also it has a wider mouth, easy filling and cleaning. So yeah, that's what I'm going to use it for. So yeah. Okay. Oh, it comes with a cleaner. Okay. Okay. Hiware, I see you. Look at that. The lid. The lid. I guess this is the filter. The filter. Oh wow. And then the box, obviously. I'm saving that. And this is a picture. Okay, it's cute. I honestly thought this was bigger on Amazon because I was here to buy it. But like, I needed to fill my matcha because every morning I've been making matcha. Now I can make it for days at a time, so I love it. It's cute. And then it's gonna filter. Okay. So this is the product. I'm so excited to use it. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it and start making my matcha. See you guys later. Peace.